Alright, so I just want to do a little first impression of this coffee grinder. When I decided I want one, I did as much research as I could in like 30 to 40 minutes. I wasn't want to spend a week looking for a coffee grinder. Came up with this one. Honestly, it's still more than I wanted to spend to grind coffee. It was like 80 bucks, something like that, approximately. Pretty happy with the initial quality. Comes with this magnet that you stick on your refrigerator, I guess, so you don't lose settings. Haven't figured out what this is yet. Actually comes with instructions, which don't look like they're made in China. Pretty decent looking. Anyway, I got the pair there for size. So I noticed this is like, oh man, it's like heavy glass. I'm gonna set this down now. Man, this thing is real solid. I haven't figured out why this is kind of sticky. The other side is also sticky. So I don't know what that's all about yet, but turn this way. I can't really tell, but it seems like the handle is really solid. Seems like this is either wood or simulated wood. This probably like a heavy duty plastic, but this is definitely glass. It's got some good weight to it, mainly because of this piece at the bottom, but I think this is about as cheap as I would get. You get something for $20, you're probably not going to be happy with it. 30 bucks. Seems like this is a pretty good quality. You move up to one with a motor, it's going to be a freaking $200 piece, which I just can't see spending 200 bucks to make some coffee. But so far so good. When I start using it, I will update it as far as problems or what I like, don't like. Anyway, but pretty happy for now. Got it off, I think, Amazon, maybe like 79 bucks. All right, thanks.